Subtract 222.427 from 249.418 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the thousandths column, 8 minus 7 is 1. In the hundredths column, 1 is less than 2, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tenths column. 4 becomes 3. The 1 in the hundredths column becomes 11. In the hundredths column, 11 minus 2 is 9. In the tenths column, 3 is less than 4, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the ones column. 9 becomes 8. The 3 in the tenths column becomes 13. In the tenths column, 13 minus 4 is 9. In the ones column, 8 minus 2 is 6. In the tens column, 4 minus 2 is 2. In the hundreds column, 2 minus 2 is 0, so no leading 0 is written. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 26.991.